if Advaita is true, and there's only one substance here, what is its one what's its one quality that it has to have? What is non-duality?
Sorry?
What is non-duality?
Nature, non-duality, nature, there is only consciousness, and consciousness becomes everything.
Yeah, non-duality is the English word for the Eastern philosophy of Advaita Vedanta.
Yeah.
Where Advaita is not two, or it's one without a second. Right?
Yeah.
And Vedanta is, in the English terms, would be a philosophy. So it's a philosophy of not two. Right? And so they're saying that Advaita points that there's only one reality. There's only one substance here. Somehow there's only one substance here. There appears to be many substances here. There are all of these objects, the computer, trees and beds and chairs, they all seem to be separate objects. But according to Advaita, that isn't the case. There's only one substance appearing as these many substances, or as these many objects. Okay? But what is the one criteria? If Advaita is true, and there's only one substance here, what is its one what's its one quality that it has to have? It has to have at least one quality. And what is that?
Consciousness, awareness.
It has to exist.
Existence. Sat-Chit-Ananda. Yeah, existence. The Hindu got it based existence or consciousness.
Yeah.
And even bliss, Ananda, peace, Ananda.
Yeah. And if there's only one existence, and that one existence is the one substance that Advaita points to, and to your point, this one substance is aware of itself, and when it experiences itself, it experiences bliss, happiness, peace, love, beauty. But back to the one substance of existence. Do you exist?
I exist as a consciousness.
Yeah.
Whereas the body is just an illusion.
But do you exist?
It depends on what you mean by you.
Does existence exist? But do you, however you take yourself to be?
I feel my existence. I know what you mean. I feel that it exists. This is what you.
Yeah. Well, you don't
say. I feel that it exists.
But notice that you didn't have to second guess your existence. It just was it just, yes, I exist. Notice that you didn't have to consult your mind. You didn't say,
no.
Hey, mind, do I exist? And your mind says, yes, Raj, you exist. No, you know your existence so innately, so intimately. It's just, it's here. And you can't deny it, because even if you were to deny your existence, what would be aware? What would have to exist to know that you denied your existence? Another existence, awareness.
Yeah.
So you are non-duality. Yourself is the answer that you're looking for. Your being, your existence, is the one substance that Advaita claims to be here. The only substance is you, your existence.
What do you mean by my existence? The feeling that I exist.
The inherent knowing within. The absolute knowing.
Not the body. I exist. You let me the body. I exist. The feeling that I exist. This is what you mean.
And it's even before that. It's an inherent knowing. It's a direct experience of your own existence. Okay? So what makes non-duality even more profound than anything else is it says that if you're willing to turn your attention back onto that existence of yourself, you can experience the qualities of that permanently. And that's where Ramana Maharshi is saying through self-inquiry, through self-surrender and self-inquiry, when you turn your attention back onto yourself and you abide in self and you start to understand what that means, you become what is experienced as existence, and that's that Sat-Chit-Ananda.